Adjectives. The words that tell us about nouns or pronouns or describe them are called adjectives. Read the sentences given below. My mother baked a delicious cake. Our hand has 5 fingers. Mother wore a red sari. The peacock has beautiful feathers. Priya wore high gumboots. In sentence 1, delicious tells us about the type of cake. In sentence 2, 5 tells us about the number of fingers. In sentence 3, red tells us about the color of the sari. In sentence 4, beautiful tells us about the feathers of peacock. In sentence 5, high tells us about the gumboots of Priya. So, high, 5, red, beautiful and delicious are describing words. Adjectives are usually placed before the nouns they describe. Example, Rohit is an intelligent boy. Boy, noun, intelligent, adjective. Sometimes adjectives can be placed after nouns. Example, the mango is ripe. Mango, noun, ripe, adjective. Types of adjectives. Adjectives can be divided into the following types. Adjectives of quality. Tell us about the qualities of nouns. Adjectives of quantity. Tell us about the quantities of nouns. Adjectives of number. Tell us about the numbers of nouns. Demonstrative adjectives. Point out the nouns. Interrogative adjectives. Ask questions. Possessive adjectives. Show possession. Adjectives of quality. The adjectives which describe the qualities of a particular noun or tell what kinds of persons or things are called the adjectives of quality. Read the examples given below. Sonia bought a blue sari. Gold is a precious metal. The words blue and precious are adjectives since they tell us about the sari and metal. Blue and precious are adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quantity. An adjective of quantity is an adjective that tells us about the quantity of a thing. Examples, some, enough, many, much. Read the examples given below. Rakesh ate the whole melon. I have enough time to meet my relatives. The words whole and enough are adjectives since they tell us about the nouns melon and time respectively. Whole tells us how much melon Rakesh ate and the word enough tells as how much time I have. These adjectives are adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of number. An adjective of number is an adjective that tells us about the number of persons, things or animals. It answers the questions how many. Read the examples given below. All the students of this class are intelligent. Rahul has bought 5 pens. The words all and 5 are adjectives since they describe the nouns students and pens respectively. All tells us how many students are present in the class and 5 tells us how many pens Rahul has bought. All and 5 are adjectives of number. More about adjective of number and adjective of quantity. Adjectives like first, second, third are called ordinal adjectives. They show the order in which a person or thing stands. They are also adjectives of number. Depending upon their use, some adjectives can be used as both adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. Read the examples given below. I want some food. There are some children in the park. In the first sentence, some answers the questions how much food, so it is an adjective of quantity. In the second sentence, some answers the question how many children, so it is an adjective of number. Little and few. Both little and few convey the same idea, but little is an adjective of quantity, whereas few is an adjective of number. Little is used with an uncountable noun and few is used with a countable noun. Examples, little time, little work. Time and work are uncountable. Few people, few chairs. People and chairs are countable. A little and a few. The expressions a little and a few mean some. If a noun is in singular, we use a little. Example, a little money. If a noun is in plural, we use a few. Example, a few friends. Much and many also convey the same idea. Much is an adjective of quantity and many is an adjective of number. Read the examples given below. We had so much fun last night. There are many toys in the box. Demonstrative adjectives. The adjectives which are used for pointing out naming words are called demonstrative adjectives. A demonstrative adjective answers the question, which one? This, that, these, and those are demonstrative adjectives. Read the examples given below. I like this flower. It tells which flower. That watch is mine. It tells which watch. The words this and that are adjectives since they describe flower and watch respectively. The word this points out which flower and the word that points out which watch is mine. This and that are demonstrative adjectives. This and that are used with singular nouns. These and those are used with plural nouns. This and these are used for indicating persons or things which are near. That and those are used for indicating persons or things which are far away. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives are adjectives which ask questions. Read the examples given below. Which book do you like to read? What animal is that? Whose car is this? The words which, what, and whose are adjectives since they describe book, animal, and car. Possessive adjectives. The adjectives that show possession or belongingness are called possessive adjectives. A possessive adjective answers the question whose. His, her, our, and your are possessive adjectives. The color of my bedroom is purple. It tells whose bedroom. That is your car. It tells whose car. My and your are adjectives. My tells us that the bedroom belongs to me. Your tells us that the car belongs to you.